The first step in order to download and use mockups in Photopea is to simply open any browser and you can simply search for free mockups. Now, I recommend this website from here because there are a lot of premium mockups that you can use for free. So you can pick anything from here and then you're gonna have to scroll down and click on the download button. Now, once you do that, you're gonna receive a zip file like this. So let me show you. Now we're gonna have to simply unzip this file, and if we open it, we're gonna be able to see this Photoshop mockup. So we're gonna have to use these ones here. Now we're gonna have to open Photopea and then click on open from computer. Now once we do that, what we're gonna have to do is simply go here to the file that we just downloaded and simply pick one of these mockups. So as you can see, I have this one here. Now let me show you. So we're gonna have to delete this layer. So if it says delete this layer, you're gonna have to delete it. So here is the mockup. Now what we're gonna have to do is simply double click on it, and here we're gonna have to simply upload our design. So I'm gonna create a new layer and I'm gonna delete the old one. And from here, what you're gonna have to do is simply open our design. So I have this one here. Now I'm gonna copy this and then simply paste it here. And then I'm gonna resize it. So let me click on edit, then transform and scale. And then we're gonna have to simply make sure that we fill in all these corners. Now what we're gonna have to do next is simply click on file and then click on save smart object. And now if we go here to our mockup, we can see that it was changed. So basically that's all we have to do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.